crazy. 8-foot bulbs. 4-foot height. Check this out. These little connectors make you see what it is. Pop up the little plastic end cap. And this has insertion. Kind of put it together. Get it in there. Press down on it. And these is for the bypass lights. LED bypass. 8-footers. Again. Pop out the end cap again. Little plastic thing. Get the insertion with the right connection to the type of light you're doing. They give you a couple. They give you this one. And the other style. Then you take the light. It has 2 ends on it with arrows pointing on them to direct you into the connection. So you can't get it wrong. You line them up, the arrows, clip it in. There you have it, 8-footer. They also give you a magnetic clip to go in the middle, right up in here. So you put that on there as you stage it. That's one done. Repeat the process. So like I said, it comes with 2 different types, 2 ends, so pay attention. Because you open the box and you'll see an end. If you order any of these type of lights, you'll see on the inside they have 2 different styles of connections, which are older versions for the T8 long. So you might see those in there. One of those. We need these puppies here. Open this box up. 2 out of here that's specific to these type of T18s, T8s, whatever they call it. You see what comes, the one with the bop on the end. Pop off the ends. Do it a little bit faster here because we get it done. Put that in there. Press down a little bit evenly, get it on there. And get this one off. Press down good and evenly on it. These bulbs are kind of flimsy, so you want to be gentle with them. Sometimes I feel like I'm going to snap it in half. So I take my time with it. They give you a screw with it as well, if you want to screw it into the fixture, but that's not necessary. And you click them together, you're going to hear them click. Straight line on them, going up and down. You pop this little puppy on there. You got another one stage. You see there's a hole in there for that screw, but like I said, that's unnecessary. Stage that one. And then it's up the ladder we go.